Hey guys, I'm Veronica Straitlingo, your host for CET Studio Sessions, featuring the best bands in the Colorado music scene, coming to you from Silo Sound Recording Studio in Denver. Coming up, we get a lesson in rock and roll with sound studies. We go underwater with a music video by LaRissa, Vienna and The Strange, and so much more. For the best in the Colorado music scene, remember, you can catch it right here on CET Studio Sessions.